Okay, so just a heads up guys, these radiator valves are very old, and if the radiator ever just completely stops working, what it is attached to these radiator valves, there's a tube that runs along the inside of the radiator, and that way it can, you know, pump water in over there while drawing it out over here, and that's how these work. So if that tube breaks off, which often happens, it rots and breaks off here, the radiator won't work. The valve here and the pipes will be lovely and hot, but all it's doing is the water simply coming in here and going back out there. So it doesn't heat the whole radiator. So that's what happens if the tube inside these fail. So here's an image I found online of these valves. Like I said, they're very old. You don't see them very often anymore at all. And you can see how they work there, and there is a modern day equivalent to them that you can still buy, made by Danfoss, and this is in their current catalogue, so you can still purchase them. Alright, thanks guys.